Good morning, and thank you for joining us. I really love the incredible energy in that opening. It represents the way we feel about California. California has always been a place for people with big ambitions and big dreams. A place where people are fueled with optimism to make things better, to make things that can change the world. It is such an important part of who we are at Apple and inspires us in everything we create and do. We're proud to call California our home. We have a lot to talk about today. Let's get started. Our most popular iPad is now powered by the A13 Bionic with a new 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera with center stage. This is a big upgrade. iPad mini gets a completely new all-screen design with a brilliant liquid retina display, blazing fast performance with a new A15 Bionic chip, new cameras with center stage, and all new colors. This is the mightiest iPad mini yet. The new Apple Watch Series 7 has our largest and most advanced display, optimized UI, new watch faces, and it's our most durable ever. It's the best smartwatch in the world. An update to Apple Fitness Plus, adding Pilates and guided meditation, a new workout to get you ready for snow season, as well as group workouts to help keep you motivated. An iPhone 13 with fantastic new technologies, including our most advanced dual camera system with cinematic mode, A15 Bionic, 5G, brighter Super Retina XDR display, and longer all-day battery life. iPhone 13 Pro, with our most state-of-the-art technologies for those who want the most out of their iPhone. With our biggest camera system advancement yet, including cinematic mode and ProRes video, the Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion, A15 Bionic with 5-core GPU, 5G, and industry-leading durability. These are the best iPhones we've ever created. Here at Apple, the customer is at the center of everything we do. And we continue to innovate, designing the very best products and services to enrich people's lives and to empower them to do great things every day. Thank you for joining us. Stay safe and take care.